Hi, it's Cindy Gwinn. Today I am going to tell you some stories about Samantha. She has given me a whole lot of life experiences having a daughter with autism. She is now 25, living in her own home with supports from Medicaid waiver services. I see her once in a while, but I haven't seen her in a while because of the COVID thing. So anyway, I thought I would give you some stories about Sam and maybe find some pictures to go with the stories. So when she was about 11, 12 years old, I decided I was going to sleep in one Saturday. Big no-no, but I was like, I just really want to sleep till noon and I'll just deal with the consequences when I wake up. And sure enough, I did. I walked downstairs at noon and there's Sam sitting in her pajamas at the kitchen table, happy as could be, playing in yogurt. And I don't mean just, yogurt in a bowl. She had all the yogurt out. I had just gone to Costco and bought a case of yogurt because we all ate it. And when I walked into the kitchen, the refrigerator door was open, left open, and there were footprints of yogurt on the floor. You could actually see her footprints on the floor. And I look over at her and she's taken bowls and emptied, there was like 17 yogurts, and opened every single one of them, and they're all sitting on the table, and there's yogurt everywhere, and there's yogurt dripping down through the seam of the table from where the leaf is. So there's a pile on the floor, all over her feet, and she's just sitting there happy as could be. And I look at it and I go, yeah, it's my fault. She found a way to amuse herself. She's happy. It's on me. I get it. It's cool. So what do? I get her cleaned up, wipe off her feet, tell her to go upstairs and put some clothes on because she's still in her pajamas, and I proceed to get a mop out, clean up the floor, put the dishes away. It took me maybe really only 10 minutes to clean everything up and put everything away and throw everything away. So then I go, she didn't come back downstairs. And I'm like, crap, now what's she doing? So I go upstairs and she's not in her room. And I walk down the hallway and she's not in the bathroom. And I get to my room and she's not in my room. And I look and she's in the master bathroom. And she has taken every body lotion, hand cream, anything you think of, and she squeezed them all out, all over the countertop. And she's actually opened up fingernail polish and written on the countertop in fingernail polish. And to top it all off, she's taken lipstick and written on the mirror. She actually wrote The Simpsons with the E's backwards, which was hilarious. I wish I had taken a picture of it now. And she'd actually written some on the wall too with the lipstick and the nail polish. I was like, how did you do that in such little amount of time? I mean, it was just total, I was about to lose it. I got her out of the room and said, Sam, out, 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 out. And I looked at the room and I went, yeah, I'm not gonna do this today. And I shut the door because Mama's gonna lose it otherwise. And we went on about our day. It took me 2 weeks before I went back in that bathroom to clean it all up. And it was hard to do too. So I had to actually take a nail polish remover with a Q-tip because I didn't want to hurt the countertop to get the nail polish off. And it still left a little bit of color because it was like a bright red. Of all things, she had to pick bright red. It was still on there. And I had to sand down the wall and throw away all the hand creams and everything, and it was just like, ugh. So when someone tells you to have a schedule to keep someone with autism busy with activities, don't allow them any downtime, there's a reason for that, because you're going to pay for it in the end. I have more of those stories, but I'm going to save them for another time because, yeah, there's only, even retelling it, there's only so much of that I can do. So, without further ado, have a great day and enjoy being home. Bye.